Did you know that the spiders are one of the animals that most people are scared of? There are millions of people who have arachnophobia, meaning that when they see a spider, they run away screaming. The majority of these arachnids, of 8 legs, have 6 or 8 eyes, and yet they have poor sight. Did you know